Hi friends, welcome to Simply Jain. Today we are going to make a variation of noodle, that is noodles with grilled tofu. So let's start making it. Ingredients required for step 1 are cornflour, brown sugar, peanut butter, tofu, salt, lime juice, chilli oil, pepper, soya sauce and sesame oil. First, we'll take 3 tablespoons soya sauce. In that, we'll add 1 tablespoon brown sugar, 2 tablespoons peanut butter, half tablespoon lime juice. Now we will add 1 tablespoon chilli oil. So for that I have taken half tablespoon chilli flakes and half tablespoon olive oil. Just heat that up and allow it to cool for at least an hour. Half teaspoon pepper, 1 tablespoon sesame oil, salt to taste, 1 tablespoon cornflour. Now we will just blend this and keep it aside. So I have blended everything together and now this is ready. I have cut tofu into long strips. Just be very gentle. Tofu is very soft, so it will break like this. Then I have greased the pan with oil. And now we will allow this to grill. The same way we will do with the rest of them. And now we will allow this to grill for some time. So we are just going to turn the sides and allow it to grill from all the sides. I have grilled it from all the 4 sides and now our grilled tofu is ready. This is done. Ingredients required for the final step are noodles, all 3 bell peppers, cabbage, olive oil, the sauce which we just prepared, salt, celery leaves, French beans and grilled tofu. First we'll add 1.5 tablespoon olive oil. Then once the oil is heated, we will add 1 tablespoon each thinly chopped capsicums. I have taken 3 French beans, cut them diagonally and boil it. Half cup thinly chopped cabbage. We will add little salt. 1 tablespoon celery. Then we will add 1.5 cup boiled noodles. 3 tablespoons of the remaining sauce which we prepared. And just before serving, we will add the grilled tofu and then just toss it lightly. Our noodles with grilled tofu is ready. Our noodles with grilled tofu is ready. If you like it, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to Simply Jain for a new recipe every Tuesday.